You're watching Photo Walks from Clearwater, Florida.
It's Magic Hour in Clearwater Beach, Florida, one of the many really cool beach towns on the west coast of Florida. We're near Tampa, St. Petersburg, Sarasota. This is one of the smaller beach towns, got about 100,000 people, known for two things: a really long pier, Pier 60, with all sorts of cool vendors right there, and a little action on the boardwalk, as well as, you'll never guess it, some clear water. That's pretty warm. Warmer than we're accustomed to in California. Let's take a look around. There are many things to photograph in Clearwater, but let's face it, people come here for one thing. It's the beach, so let's explore it together. You know, this is a beach that people feel really strongly about.
Clearwater is one of the beautifulest beaches in the world. It really is in Florida.
The sand's really soft and the water's really pretty.
This has the softest sand.
It's kind of hard to walk in, it's so soft.
East Coast is not the beaches, the beautiful beaches like there is here.
Yeah, well, Miami Beach, isn't it famous for the beach?
It is, but not like Clearwater Beach.
Have you been to other beaches in Florida?
Yes, a lot.
And where does this rank?
I'd say probably two.
Two?
I'd say Siesta Key's number one.
Okay. The
Yeah.
beach was even softer there?
Yeah, that's like pillow sand.
Well, that sand is everything they say, and quite pretty too. I love photographing it with my Insta360 camera. That's the one that records what's in front of me and behind me at the same time. And the water, they don't call this place Clearwater for nothing. And being here seems to bring out the joy in people. Beyond the sand, surf, and sun, the big attraction here is Pier 60. Enter and you get a carnival vibe with street performers and big crowds. Then once on the pier, you've got vendors on both sides selling art and knickknacks. It's a fun walk and you get a cool view of the area from here and all those high rises and lodging up and down busy Coronado Avenue. Yellow seems to be a rather popular color in Clearwater. I fell in love with the Barefoot Bay Motel just down the street from the pier. All those yellows and blues, don't they scream Florida? Now back to Coronado Avenue, which is chock full of activity vendors offering rides on pirate ships, parasailing, and the like. I'll be back to you with my best Clearwater photo tip in 30 seconds. And now a quick word from our sponsor, Mylio Photos. Thank you, Mylio, for supporting PhotowalksTV. Thank you for coming up with a way to finally giving us access to all of our media in one central place without getting big tech involved. Mylio is software that works with a classic hard drive that in turn will give you one-click access to all of your images on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer. Check it out, free 30-day trial, mylio.com. And now, back to PhotowalksTV. Okay, back to Coronado Avenue and your photo tip. The best spot to get a really cool overhead view of the pier and sunset without flying a drone is from the 10th story of the Pier House 60 Hotel at the Jimmy's Crow's Nest restaurant. Otherwise, if you're on the ground, just walk over to the sand and get in position for one of the best sunsets you're likely to encounter. It's a nightly tradition, as you can tell from these crowds. I photographed it from the pier and below was definitely the preferable spot. As always, the sun drop was cool, but the after show, even better. So that's Pier 60 in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Please stay tuned for more photo walks. You never know where we'll be next. Do me a favor, please subscribe to this channel, as well as the PhotowalksTV newsletter, jeffersongraham.substack.com. On that note, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next photo walk. Bye.